Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Autopilot. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically an app that helps you invest, and they actually have an AI or GPT that helps you invest, which can make investing easier. So let's head on over to Reddit right here. Autopilot app, has anyone haven't tried it? So this person said, did it for 6 months and pulled out after many trades but zero gains. I tried for 3 months with their GPT pilot. The performance lagged the market and I was missing out on a lot of the gains. They didn't renew my subscription, so it's pretty bad so far. How much they don't say anything about their website I can't find, so that's pretty shady. So the subscription doesn't say anything here. So if I actually go all the way down, they don't say anything about how much the subscription is. They actually just shower you with big numbers like 500 million, 100,000, 2 billion, 6 billion. So that's pretty shady practices right there. So a lot of what? Were there enough gains to pay for the subscription? Yes, blah 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 blah. It's a cool idea for sure, but it can't really be executed since most of the investors have their trades delayed by 2 weeks or more. Far too expensive. And yeah, a lot of people saying that they're bad. And as you can see here on Trustpilot, they're rated 2.2 out of 5 stars, which is poor. So this person said, TikTok Shop UK is a scam for sellers. Etsy review, TikTok Shop is a seller scam. Avoid. eToro and Webull are much better. I highly advise everyone not to buy. Stop sharing my info. So they're basically sharing info to a lot of people. Unfortunately, platform is glitchy. Cancellation is a nightmare. So that's pretty shady when a company makes it as hard as possible to cancel or refund or renew a subscription. That is pretty shady, so please do not invest in this product. It is basically a scam, since if it's really good, if it's this good, why haven't we heard of it already? Why are we making this video? Why are you watching this video in the first place if it's not shady in the first place? So let's head on over here to their site and actually go to get Autopilot right here. And as you can see, you will need to scan a QR code, click on the advisors, blah blah blah, and it will take you to this site right here, which is actually pretty shady also. So yeah, that is basically it. So please do not use autopilot.com. It is a shady company and it is not entirely a scam. However, it is pretty hard to get started. So that is it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.